Once upon a time, there was a hard-working IT hero defending his city from the ongoing threat of cybersecurity villains. They had the latest perimeter defenses and next-generation antivirus, even a sandbox and honeypot. But ransomware and zero-day were still targeting them. Our hero knew ransomware was an ever-present threat, but despite the latest tools and utilities, Zero-Day was finding new software exploits every day. With a limited budget and even less time, our hero needed some backup to combat these evolving threats. And so, our hero called on S.H.I.E.L.D. In our hero's darkest hour, they assembled to provide the backup needed to save the day. S.H.I.E.L.D. empowered our IT hero with a dynamic team of super sidekicks and their utilities to combat ever-growing cybersecurity threats. Our hero is now transformed into an IT superhero. S.H.I.E.L.D. SDE, the Data Security and Breach Prevention Specialist. S.H.I.E.L.D. SDE Mobile, their Cellular Data Protection Specialist. And they knew they could rely on S.H.I.E.L.D. Gate's quarantining and zero-day prevention methods. S.H.I.E.L.D. Cybot, to protect the city from the inside, automatically testing for penetration weaknesses before security holes can be found. They knew no one was getting past their new zero-trust perimeter with the help of S.H.I.E.L.D. SDA's authorized user management skills. And they positioned S.H.I.E.L.D. BG Protect as their external traffic monitor, actively checking for intercepted communications. With their band of super sidekicks assembled, our IT hero knew they had the backup needed. Soon, their data was safely hidden away from hackers and ransomware thugs. Zero-Day was finally defeated. Shield4UC, a trusted solution for today's evolving security needs. You be the hero, we've got your back.